What's up? It's your man T with Arizona Riders Club out here at the Goodguy car show. A lot of great cars, a lot of great vehicles. It's about performance today, guys. All the vendors out here are all performance parts, performance products. They're racing, they're driving. It's getting pretty wild. We have a VW bus. Let's get into it right now. 1971. Ford 100. Is that 66? Yeah. 1966 Ford 100. And I apologize, guys, if it's glistening on you, but it is a very sunny day, so we'll try to get this fixed up for you. Okay, somebody just rolled up here with the dice in the mirror. So I'm a player, why not? 442. That is a very nice truck. Oh, they got the Millwood calipers in there. I rolled by Millwood. It's a performance caliper part company. I can't remember where they're based out of, but we had a good conversation, man. We just chopping it up, talking. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we got a couple things over here. What? I got to give you some props because guess what? I've not seen a Thunderbird in quite some time, man. Two-door T-Bird, man. 66 T-Bird. I'm feeling that, bro. I am feeling that T-Bird. All right, we're gonna shoot over here to this Malibu. Wow, flake all through it. That is amazing. Let's get up close in person so you can see that. Yeah. 67 Chevrolet Malibu. What? You want me to get the grill? No problem. Got you. Alright, got an old Ford model, 28 Ford Tudor. Alright, I have seen one of these before, but I didn't know what they were called. They typically just call them Fords. They don't even tell you what kind of model it is, but yeah, this thing is sweet. Susie B, try to copyright infringe me, player. All right, guys, just want to give you a little something out here. Man, let's go back to that T-Bird, man. I have to. It's kind of a dark forest green with maybe a black undertone on it. It's got a little bit of body damage that you could get taken care of, but this might be one of my favorites, man, this T-Bird. It's got to go the Lincoln, the T-Bird, the Lincoln with the suicide doors, the T-Bird, and what was the other one? Can't think right off the top of my head, but I know that. Oh, the Cadillac. Oh yeah, that green Cadillac was something else. But so is this T-Bird, and so is T, because T brings you what you need. And he's with Arizona Riders Club, hoping that you ride with us.